but there's a wiener on your head. Well, we've got a sampling of 4 different pierogis. No better way to start off your day than with a nice kielbasa. Pierogi time! And here we are in Philadelphia for the Port Richmond Pierogi Festival. This is the first time in the last 3 years that they're having this festival. It was on held for a number of years due to the pandemic and whatnot. But here we are, the first time back. And we're here to stuff our faces with wonderful pierogis from local vendors. And I'm looking forward to it because I love pierogis. So enough talking, let's start eating. Here's Johnny. We're here at Hecklers Hot Sauce. This year, brand new.
Yep. Yeah, we just started Memorial Day weekend, so we're just a couple months in at this time.
Ah, okay.
And currently only have one flavor. I'm bottling a Tabasco type and a pineapple habanero this week. So within the next 10 days, I should have 2 more flavors available. But this is a cayenne-based hot sauce.
Ah, can I take a teeny tiny sample?
Yes, sir.
Like maybe a tablespoon or 2?
Yep.
Yeah, a little spicy, not too much though.
No, it's a little more kick than your typical buffalo sauce.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah, but not like a Carolina Reaper though.
No.
I would take Tabasco, and if I added cayenne pepper to it,
Yep.
that's the best analogy I could come up with.
Yep.
Body lotion, I can't eat that. I'm willing to try though. Oh, here we are. Our first food stop is authentic Polish kielbasa. No better way to start off your day than with a nice kielbasa. That's all I've been told. One classic kielbasa.
So would you like on a roll or on a stick?
On a roll, please, with the works.
We have a mustard coleslaw, homemade mustard.
Oh,
coleslaw.
definitely, yeah, for sure.
Small or large?
Look at a large one.
A large?
Large one, yes. But there's a wiener on your head. Oh, there we go. Thank you, sir. Well, it's time to take a bite out of my authentic Polish kielbasa.
That's a great shot.
Well, hey, it's a festival. I could be a slob. That's the real McCoy. It tastes like a kielbasa. Look at the mess I'm making. Typical kielbasa, the hard skin on the outside, which was helping me make a mess. But very tasty, especially that sharp Dijon mustard. You know, the mustard slaw that we saw him adding to the roll really adds a kick, in addition to the Dijon spicy mustard on top. It really balances it out, the slaw with that mustard. Very good kielbasa though. Not what I would find at the supermarket, for sure. Not that that's bad, but this is just another level. Very good, very good, excellent. I don't want to pig out too much because there's a bunch of pierogis with my name on them. Ow, he bit me.
Did he bite you?
He bit me, man.
You want to go home?
Hey guys.
Hi, how are you?
How are you guys doing? It's
Good,
great to
good.
see you here on a beautiful day in Philadelphia for the
you.
Pierogi Festival.
Yeah.
So, have you been to this festival before?
No, we haven't. We have not come.
First time. You
First time.
read all about it like we did and wanted to
Yeah.
experience it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Excellent.
Absolutely.
Can you recommend a pierogi restaurant or a place in Philadelphia where you say they have awesome pierogis?
I can't because I'm Italian and I only go to South Philly, but there are some awesome pierogies.
Yeah.
There's 3 stands here that all come with great recommendations from
Yeah.
people we talk to.
I've never been to a pierogi restaurant, like a Polish restaurant
Yeah,
down
yeah.
in this area. No, so I can't recommend it, but I know the food down here is great, so we're here for the day to enjoy it.
I'm sure it's going to be a winning day.
Absolutely.
I don't think we'll be disappointed.
Absolutely. So we're in Philly, and that's my old hometown. So.
Oh, awesome. Welcome home.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm the New York Jersey guy, but that's okay.
Oh, okay, so am I actually. So
So go Eagles, go Phillies. We're here.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy.
Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Before we get in line.
Hey, buddy.
kielbasa.
What was that?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Can we get one loaded kielbasa? So we got the kielbasa and the sampler. Okay, well we've got a sampling of 4 different pierogis and we got yet another kielbasa. So I'm gonna start with the types of pierogis. Some of them have potato, some of them have a little bacon in there. It'll be a surprise, we'll see what we got. Let's dig in. I'm having trouble with the plastic utensils. Well, I really butchered that one. Let's do it this way. Cheese. A very chubby cheese pierogi. They don't take shortcuts on the filling, that's for sure. And I'm making a mess again. Number 2. All right, now this pierogi, for me is a first. I've never had a pierogi with meat in it before. So let's see what it's all about. Beef pierogi with a little bit of cheese also. These are heavy duty pierogis. Delicious. Now let's see what's behind curtain number 3. Let's look inside. That's a bacon and cheese pierogi. I'm telling you, you have 1 or 2 of these, it's a complete meal. Last one. A sauerkraut pierogi. We'll get a zoom in. That was good. Now to try this other kielbasa. A little sauerkraut. It's a smoked kielbasa, not like the one we had earlier. Little different. Smoked. I'm gonna take another bite. I actually like the non-smoked better. My preference. They're both good. I just don't like the smoked as much. No reason. Well, that was it for the Pierogi Festival. We ate a couple of big kielbasas. We had a big sampling of pierogis. I think it's time to call it a day. It's a day. So on that note, thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We had fun here in Port Richmond, Philadelphia this Saturday afternoon. So enjoy, God bless, and hasta lasagna.